Hello, welcome once again to Shareability Uganda. I am Kaziwa Pius. We shall be looking at fertilization in plants in this topic today of our self-study lesson, P4 Science. What is fertilization and where does fertilization take place in plants? Uh, Fertilization is a process of sexual reproduction which occurs after pollination and after germination. Fertilization can be defined as the process of fusion of the female gamete, the ovum, or the egg and the male gamete produced in the pollen tube by the pollen grains. Uh, Fertilization basically takes place in the ovary of the flowering plant, and basically this is how the ovary looks like. It has a pollen tube connecting to it from the stigma. The reproductive parts of a flower are the pistil and the stamen. The pistil is the female reproductive part of the flower, and it has parts like the stigma, the style, and the ovary and the ovule. And the stamen is the male part of the flower, which has anthers and the filament. The anthers have the pollen grains. The pollen grains are transferred to the stigma by a pollinating agent, and then transferred through the pollen tube to the ovary during the process of pollination. Let us rush and look at seeds. A seed is defined as the matured and ripened ovule formed after fertilization. Well, after fertilization has taken place, the result is a seed. Structure of a seed in the illustration below, we have a bean seed. It has an epicotyle, the hypocotyle, the radicle, seed coat, cotyledon, and an embryo. Classes of seeds or groups of seeds. How we can categorize seeds? We can categorize seeds as monocotyledonous seeds and dicotyledonous seeds. Monocotyledonous seeds are seeds with embryos that possess only one large cotyledon called a scutellum. Like an example, we have a maize seed. A maize seed is a good example of a monocotyledonous seed. It has a seed coat, endosperm, cotyledon, plumule, and the radicle. Dicotyledonous seeds are the opposite of monocotyledonous seeds. Like, for example, the bean seed. The bean seed is an example of a dicotyledonous seed. It has an epicotyle, hypocotyle, radicle, seed coat, and two cotyledons. For a monocotyledonous seed has one cotyledon. Dicotyledonous seeds has two cotyledons. That's basically the difference. Functions of the parts of a seed. The seed coat. The seed coat covers and protects the seed. And then the embryo forms the new plant, whereas an endosperm acts as the food for the seed during germination. Cotyledon is the first leaves of the new plant, the new leaves of a plant when it is growing. Functions of seeds. Seeds are edible, we eat them. Seeds help in plant propagation. Like plant propagation basically refers to planting, like seed. What can I call it? Like if you plant a seed and then you get more seeds, that is plant propagation. Seeds can be used for medicinal purposes. They can be used as medicines, not all but some. It has been a brief video about fertilization and seeds. Please, thank you for watching this video. Please, if you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing and liking this video so that you may be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting Shareability Uganda. God bless you.